After a 2-week recess, the Akwa Ibom State Governorship Election Tribunal resumed to adopt the final arguments of the parties. The courtroom witnessed a large turnout of supporters of each party gathered to show their solidarity. Lawyer to the petitioner, Mr. Wale Oladipekun, SAN, asked the tribunal to nullify the election on the ground that the petitioner had proven beyond reasonable doubt that the governorship election was not properly conducted.
We put in all our very best in the prosecution of our client's case. We leave the rest to the tribunal to decide.
But the governor, through his lawyer, argued that the petitioner failed to establish his fact. He said that the petitioner gave evidence in less than 50 units out of over 2,000 polling units in the state.
The law says you have to prove polling units by polling units. And that is the crux of our submission. They have not proved that requirement of the law. They have not made that requirement of the law. And when you do not meet that requirement of the law, Supreme Court, in so many authorities say, your petition has to be dismissed. And that's the very final point that we made to the tribunal.
Counsel to the Independent National Electoral Commission claimed that the election body had complied with all court orders, which should enable the tribunal to do justice to the case.
Clearly, the responsibility now belongs to the distinguished judges to write the judgment, but we think that we have placed before them all the materials necessary to make a determination that election duly took place.
No date has been set by the tribunal for the judgment. However, following the conclusion of their arguments, both parties will know where the pendulum will swing not later than October 29, 2015. Amaka Okafu, Channels Television News.